Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Jamaican brownstew chicken, and here's what you'll need: chicken, browning, seasoning. This is not the kind that Jamaicans use. They use one made by Grace, but I couldn't find it in the store. You're going to use about 4 tablespoons of butter, black pepper, garlic salt, seasoned salt, adobe, olive oil, ketchup, chicken broth, fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 tomato, and some diced bell pepper. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to season the chicken. Well, first I'm going to cut up the vegetables. I add them in with the chicken, then I season the chicken. Once I season the chicken, I will add the browning sauce to it and get that all incorporated and mixed together. Then we'll take it to a preheated skillet on medium heat. That's where the butter and the olive oil comes into play. So let's get started on the seasoning, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. So we have all the meat that was cleaned prior to me seasoning and cutting it up. I used 4 legs, and I used 3 very large chicken breasts that I skinned and cut up into pieces because my daughter, she does not like bones, but I do. Now with this, we have everything in here: the peppers, the Scotch bonnet, the browning, and all the seasonings that I showed. So in the skillet, we're going to warm up the butter. We're going to add maybe 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And once that comes to a nice warmth that we need, then we'll go ahead and we will add the chicken piece by piece and get it browned, or sauteed or browned on each side. Then we will add the chicken stock and bring it to a nice boil. When it comes to a nice boil, then we will add the ketchup and the fresh thyme. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to get our olive oil. In there. And we're going to place our butter right there in the smack in the middle. Okay, here we're going to add our chicken. We're going to leave the vegetables in the bowl. It's imperative that you use butter because the butter enhances the sauce. This is going to make a wonderful sauce. Alright, looks like we got all the pieces in. There we go. Alright, so we'll get these brown, flip them over, brown those, and then we'll finish the process. Be right back. Okay, welcome back. We got all of the chicken brown. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken broth. And if you don't have chicken broth, it's okay. You can add water. Lukewarm water is fine. You don't have to have the broth if you don't. Or you can use any kind of broth, vegetable broth. You can even use beef broth if you want to. Seafood broth. Whatever suits you. So this is about 16. What can I put in there? We're going to bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll reduce heat and cover. In the meantime, I'm going to add a couple of twigs of my fresh thyme. You're making dishes, thyme is the answer. It's the key. And just throw them on in there just like that. That's all you have to do. Once we bring it to a nice boil, we'll add the vegetables and the browning sauce that I have in the bowl. And the ketchup. I'm also going to add, this is not keto, but my daughter, she doesn't eat keto, so I'm just going to add 1 can of diced potatoes because she likes the potatoes to be soaked up in the sauce. So we're going to add that for her. And then we'll be right back. Alright, it has come to a boil. This is where we're going to add our ketchup, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons. Our vegetables and all that nice browning is in the bowl. We'll bring this back to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll turn it down and let it simmer until done. Look at how beautiful that looks. You want to go in, you want to stir it occasionally because that ketchup can settle to the bottom and start to burn, and you don't want that. It smells so good. Alright. Cover, and then we'll be right back. One ingredient I forgot to add, guys. I forgot to add the minced garlic. So we're going to add like half a teaspoon, like so, of the minced garlic. We need that in there. We got all of that. Good. Okay, welcome back. The stew is ready. Look at this. See how thick the gravy is? And the way you can tell your chicken is done, look how the chicken, let me see if I can get here. See how it pulls away from the bone? That's how you know your chicken is ready. Okay. So what we'll do is I made rice for my daughter. I made cauliflower rice for me, and I'll plate it up for you in a second. Be right back. Okay guys, so what I did was I just steamed me some cauliflower rice, and I put my brownstew chicken over my rice. And right there is a kale, cranberry, and pecan salad. And that's what my dinner is going to be. It is so good. I wish you guys could smell it right now. But it's so easy to make. It may sound difficult. The prep is probably the bigger problem. Would be a problem more than anything. But the rest is easy. So I'm going to grab me a fork. And bite into this. See how tender? See how the meat just came off? And there you have it, guys. Brownstew, Jamaican brownstew chicken. So, if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with a friend. So until next time, peace, love, and soul.